see. What do we think? What should we think? What do you guys think? Tell me if you like the Super Fuchsia. I actually always use, the Miami. Okay, I can't use the same finger. I want to swatch this for you guys. And so this is our pink mango, right? So this is our pink mango blush. Right now, thank you, Henning, for joining. Zaya, thanks for joining. Make sure you guys say hello. We love that. Right now I have the Super Fuchsia on, and so you see how wild this color looks, right? But it ends up being that it gives you such a nice pop. What I did was I just dab it along right here, and then I buff it in with the blush brush. Now you can also go on the brush, but if you do use the brush, what I suggest, not just with our blushes, but with a lot of brushes, then I try to tap off the excess and just give it a tap, right? 1, 2, 1, 2, and then you can apply. And so I'm just gonna go lightly because I kind of like understated blush. And if you ever make a mistake with blush, you can always put a tap of concealer on top, or mix a little concealer and the blush in and put it on top, so that would be a quick way to take it down a little bit. Not just with our blushes, but with any blush. Now, so we already put the Face and Body Shimmer on, which I kind of love. I want to go in and do a few things. I feel like now I want to get to eyes, right? Like I want to get to eyes. I keep asking myself, what am I going to do to eyes? Okay, I have a quick little hack I like. I like to use our Beauty in the City bronzer, right? And so the crazy thing about this is it's actually mostly glow. It's not going to give you that much color. One drop will do your entire face, or both of your arms, or like your chest and your arms. You'll get a lot out of it. And so I will do this one drop. I just took a tiny bit of the one drop. I'm going to put it on my lids, and I'm probably going to wash it over. Why? Because it's mostly glow. It's not going to give you like, you know, the dark normal bronze look. It's giving you a ton of glow. And so as you can see, there's like a shimmer in the light right there on my lid. I feel like I want a little bit more for this. And so up 55, thanks for joining. The names, I love it. We always love to say hello when we can. Yes, this is a good question. Someone asked, okay, can you put this all over your face? You can. So I'm going to show you on this hand, right? Just how much. Now, as you do it, this goes by how much you want, right? And so if you want it more, then you buff it more. Now let's take a look. I'm putting it on my hands. Nikki, thanks for joining. Thanks for saying hello. And so as you can see, there's not a big difference. There's a subtle glow, the difference between the two, right? So there's a subtle glow, so you can use this all over. I'm going to put it on my other hand, and I'm still working on my same one drop. One drop does so much. If you want, I will also show you guys, I put it sometimes in the contour, and you can kind of stack it there if you want the deeper contour. Although trends now are showing people are, we know that the reverse contour is in, which is more of the glow. It's kind of what we started out with, right? You can reverse contour with the Beauty in the City shimmer spray. It's a light shimmer, but you can use it for highlight, because the reverse contour is actually just highlighting your face and maybe not using contour, or just using a ton of contour. And so that's what we did today. We highlighted the cheeks and up, right? And then we also did a little bit of the forehead and a touch of the nose. Now, this is the bronzer tint. As you can see, there's a little shimmer difference, right? And so you're getting a shimmer difference here. This is the bronzer tint, and that's what I washed it all over my hand. And so you get a lot of options here. Now, as you can see, I have blushes all over me. We need a solution for that. The next thing we'll do, thanks for saying hello, yes. The next thing that we will do is we will take a look at the bronzer and put it in the contour, right? But we're kind of going on trend with less of a deep contour, and the Beauty in the City bronzer is perfect for that, right? And so I just washed this one hand. quick. Anytime I do these lives, I have to kind of, baby wipes are my best friend, and I have to just make sure so you don't transfer color. We did look and swatch some blushes, so guys, if you want to see some more blushes, I'm wearing Super Fuchsia. Yes, very easy to use. It's a nice pop of pink. I kind of think it's cool sometimes to match your makeup with your outfit if you have a moment, but you can't do it all the time. Now, I also use the lip conditioner as a prep. We're gonna go in and use the bronze. I have I have the big blush brush, but there's also the more concentrated blush brush you can use, something like this. And so when I use something like this, you'll get more of a concentrated application, but I can then use it to contour in the hollows of my cheeks. Now I needed more than one drop, but I'm using a very, very, very tiny amount, and I'm just contouring the hollows of my cheeks. And thanks, Joy, for joining. You can put a little bit of this like along your hairline. Thank you. Oh, thanks for saying hello. And a tiny bit along the jawline. And as you can see, the bronzer doubles as contour, and it just gives a little more highlight than just the stacked contour. So it's kind of nice sometimes to have that option.